So, good afternoon, everyone. I am H.G. Labroda from grade 12 St. Joseph, and today I am going to interview someone who owns a corner store here at Poblacion Medellin, Cebu. Okay, so ang una nga pangutan natin kay what motivated you to become an entrepreneur or unsa mo'y nakapa-motivate sa imo para mahimo kang negosyante?
Kuan. Para mabuhi akong pamilya. Kuan po na ng gamay, ang uban ng utang, ng bayan.
Yang ikaduha nga question kay what do you think are your characteristics and competences that made you a successful entrepreneur? Or unsa imuhang mga traits nimo ba, unsa imuhang mga paagi nga nganong nahimo o makasulti ka sa imong kagalingon nga ako kay successful ko nga pagnegosyante.
Tungod kay nagkugi para mabuhi akong mga anak, ang pamilya, makabayad sa utang.
Last question natin kay what do you think of being employed? Why didn't you choose that path? Or sa Bisaya pa kay nganong mas kanang ganahan ka ba nga nganong mas ganahan ka nga magnegosyo?
Okay. Para wala tay amo ba na kita ray magboto dun sa atong lihokon.
Thank you, ate. After interviewing that woman who owned a corner store at Poblacion Medellin, Cebu, it helped me understand what motivated them to start their business and what qualities helped them succeed. I learned that hard work, patience, and confidence are important in running a business. The interview also showed me why they chose entrepreneurship, to have more independence and opportunities to grow, and also to create and enlarge their capacity or their passion towards that thing.
Bye bye.